To do an invisible colour change, we must first of all do a seamless fasten off of our current colour. So I'm just coming up to my last couple of stitches of green. So here's my last stitch. If you haven't already cut your yarn, you cut it now and you put it all the way through. We must now attach the tail of our yarn onto our embroidery needle because we are going to do a seamless fasten off. So we're going to skip the first stitch of the next round and into the second stitch. We're going to put our embroidery needle from front to back under the stitch and pull the yarn tail through. We are now going to go back to the last stitch of the last round, and under the back loop only we are going to thread our needle from front to back again, pulling our yarn tail through. And what we have done is create a fake stitch. Now it's time to introduce our new colour, and I'm going to use the standing start method. So I'm going to take my new colour, which is purple, and I'm going to do a slip knot onto my hook. Now I'm going to make sure that the green yarn tails are held in the back, and I'm going to crochet them in as I go. I'm going to insert my hook into a stitch where I want the colour change to happen. Place my yarn tails over my hook. Yarn over, pull through, so I have 2 loops on my hook, and I'm going to complete this with a single crochet, so I'm going to yarn over and pull through. Now I can just continue to single crochet around, not forgetting to hook my yarn tails in at the back. Then after a couple of stitches I can let them go and I can continue to single crochet as normal. And that is the invisible colour change method.